First things first is choose a task that the form is connected to. We'll use carryout audit for our example. Afterwards, click on Task Manager on the left-hand side. Thereafter, make sure to turn on edit mode. Once edit mode is on, open up the task. Here you'll see your task, the task type, and the form you can use. Furthermore, you have two options. Auto prefill form. This automatically takes data from the most recent version of this case and fills it in. The second option allows you to choose any values that you filled into the form previously. So let's have a look at what happens when you do this. For your ease of following, we'll take a new task and we'll start it up. So click submit task, and now it's started. Now when you click on it, you'll see a blue icon in the top right called form data. When you click it, you'll see all the available filled in version of your form. Choose the form that fits the task the best, for example, the same task for a different period of time. On top, you'll see the forms that are used on the same case, and below you'll see the form used on all the cases. However, if you have no cases here, simply fill it out from scratch. The information you enter here can be used as form data for this case in the future. Once you've finished and submitted the task and it's gone over to another team member, they will not get the autofill feature as the information is already in the task. This way, you don't have to retype information that can be reused. Auto handling and claim handling is a great example here, as you can transfer all the information to the next person in every single case you might have.